What is AI? Have you ever asked Siri or Alexa to play your favorite song? If so, you have been interacting with artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Today, we are going to talk more about AI. Let's start with what it is. A simple way to describe AI is that it combines computer science, large sets of data or information, and problem solving. Currently, most AI is used for automation. This could mean you encounter AI when you use customer service over the phone or online. They use voice recognition and machine learning to answer questions and respond to requests. Or in the field of robotics engineering, this could mean automating tasks that are unsafe for humans, like mixing toxic chemicals or piloting a space vehicle that is set to land on Mars. This type of AI is an example of artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI. There are two other types of artificial intelligence, AGI, or artificial general intelligence, and ASI, which means artificial superintelligence. AGI means that a computer can make decisions, plan, and function similarly to humans. Many experts think that that is the direction that AI is currently headed, but it isn't there yet. ASI is still theoretical, meaning that it is not based on real life, just an idea. But the thought behind ASI is that the intelligence of computers would exceed the intelligence of humans, which would be pretty wild. Now that we are more aware of what AI is, let's discuss some pros and cons of its use. Pros: streamlines and automates repetitive tasks, saves time, saves humans from doing dangerous jobs, allows for new technological discoveries, lowers possibility of human error. Cons: very expensive to execute, potential loss of non-hazardous human jobs, huge environmental costs to maintain, can be used to plagiarize art and other online content, security risks from hackers. One of the pros of using AI is that it streamlines and automates repetitive tasks. It also saves a lot of time. AI can save humans from doing dangerous jobs and allows for new technological discoveries. AI also lowers the possibility of human error. That doesn't sound so bad. But wait, we haven't discussed the cons yet. A major con of AI is that it is very expensive to execute. We are talking billions of dollars. Another con is that it could potentially cause humans to lose their jobs. If you care about the environment, you should be aware that there is a huge environmental cost to AI. If you're familiar with AI server farms, you already know that they take up a lot of space and drain energy and water resources. AI can also be used to plagiarize art and other online content. And there's always the threat of security risks from hackers. Sounds like there's a lot to think about when you are deciding whether the positives of AI outweigh the negatives, or vice versa. We have just learned a lot about AI. Here are some questions to review. True or false? As of today, ASI is purely theoretical. True. Fill in the blank. Currently, the AI technology we use is an example of ANI, which stands for artificial blank intelligence. Narrow. Name one pro and one con of AI use. Great job, AI experts! Whether you think that AI is helpful or harmful, it is here to stay. So, it is important to understand it and its potential consequences. Perhaps one day, you will be an innovator that finds a helpful and ethical way to use